So over here, this one is going to help us with our sentences. When you land on an animal, for example, let's use the octopus, you can choose number 1, 2, 3, or 4, and you can say anyone. So for example, teacher will choose number 3. So I will say the octopus is a sea animal. You can pick any sentence that you like. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let us get game number 1. Okay, Jackson, you can begin. You can press the dice. 6. You can move it 6.
Wait a sec.
No problem.
This is a swordfish.
This is a swordfish. Good sentence. Well done. You can press our dice again.
The octopus is a sea animal.
Good job, Jackson. Wonderful sentence.